Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your GoPro Mission 1 camera is not turning on. First of all, try resetting your camera by holding down the mode button for about 10 seconds. Check your device's display and see if it restarted. If it didn't, we can force restart the camera by opening the door on the right side of the camera. Pull the opening trigger a bit until you open the door, and then pull the belt of the camera's battery to detach it from the camera, and then carefully remove the battery from inside. Then push the battery back inside your camera and try turning it on. If nothing happened, then your camera is most probably discharged, and to charge it you have to plug in the charging cable, the USB-C cable, into the USB-C port on the right side of your camera. Just like this. Make sure to insert the cable firmly and just leave your camera for charging for at least a couple of minutes. Then try turning it on by short pressing the mode button once. And if nothing I showed you in this video helps, try replacing the battery with a new one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.